Hello and good day, and welcome back to the HeartBrand Meetup. I'm Ronald Beeman with HeartBrand, and I'm really proud to have my grandson here, Parker Beeman, with me today. We're going to be doing a family favorite from our home. It's called Pigs in a Blanket, and HeartBrand sausage takes it to a new height with sausage, using all Akaushi beef with real lean pork. What do we have there, Parker?
Sausage.
Sausage. What kind? HeartBrand?
HeartBrand.
HeartBrand, and we got some more HeartBrand here too. We got our HeartBrand pork and beef sausage, which is just a great sausage, and a favorite for everybody is the HeartBrand jalapeno and cheese. It's a real easy recipe. It just requires croissants and then the sausage. Two basic ingredients here, and you want to show them how you take that wrapper off? You just peel that wrapper off. Just keep on peeling. So Parker never lets me do this. He's got to unwrap it. And what's the other thing you like to do? Look at that. He hits it and pops it up and gets them out. And we have them like this. And then what's the next thing we do? Is you take your croissants. They've got them all kind of pre-cut for you. And you pull them apart. Take the smoked sausage, and then we're going to cut them to about 4-inch lengths. And this is one of the things that we do that we really have. We put them on here like this, remember, Parker, and we keep them even, and then we just roll them straight up. Take a spraying oil, and we'd like to spray our pan so that the product it won't stick on your pan. Put it on there, Parker. We're going to 350 degrees, like to cook it. Check it at about 12 minutes, but normally it's about 15 minutes for it to get ready. Hey Parker, the pigs in blankets are about ready. Come on in.
Yes, sir.
We're about ready. Take them out of the oven. Come on. Wow, they are cooked golden brown. They're ready to go now. See how that looks? The sausage in there, that's ready to go, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Those are pretty. Oh, they look nice. That's the way you want them to look. They're really pretty like that. You did a great job. Okay. You ready? Wow. Well, now we've got them cooled down, and Parker, how are they, Parker?
Good.
They're really good, aren't they? Wow, they're delicious every time you get them. I know your family will love them and enjoy them as much as ours. Again, we want to thank y'all for joining us on another HeartBrand Meetup.